Ocuvel is a multivitamin product that is used to treat or prevent vitamin deficiency. It is especially helpful for those with poor diet, certain illnesses, or during pregnancy. Vitamins are essential for maintaining good health and are important for the body's overall function. The recommended daily dosage of Ocuvel may vary depending on individual needs, so it is important to consult with a healthcare professional for the best dosage for your specific situation. It is typically best to take Ocuvel with a meal to ensure optimal absorption of the vitamins. When taking Ocuvel, it is important to follow the dosage instructions provided by your doctor or on the product package. Typically, Ocuvel is taken orally once a day. It is important not to exceed the recommended dosage. Taking this medication regularly at the same time each day will help you get the most benefit from it. If you have any questions about the dosage or timing, consult your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. If you experience constipation, diarrhea, or an upset stomach while taking Ocuvel, these effects are usually temporary and may go away as your body gets used to the medication. If these effects persist or worsen, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to note that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Most people who use Ocuvel do not experience serious side effects. While rare, it's important to seek medical help immediately if you experience symptoms of a serious allergic reaction to Ocuvel, such as rash, itching or swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of potential side effects, so if you notice any other effects, it's important to consult with your doctor or pharmacist. It's also important to be aware of the optimal dosage and timing for Ocuvel, as recommended by your healthcare provider. If you have any concerns or questions about the medication, don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. It's important to keep Ocuvel out of reach of children, especially if it contains iron. Accidental overdose of iron-containing products is a leading cause of fatal poisoning in children younger than 6 years. If overdose does occur, get medical help right away or call a poison control center. Remember to always follow the recommended daily dosage and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Before taking Ocuvel, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have to its ingredients, soy or peanuts. This product may also contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues, so make sure to discuss this with your pharmacist. It's also important to share your medical history with your doctor or pharmacist, especially if you have a history of alcohol use, liver problems, or stomach/intestinal problems like ulcers or colitis. If your multivitamin contains folic acid, it's crucial to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have a vitamin B12 deficiency before taking it. Folic acid may affect certain lab tests for vitamin B12 deficiency without treating the anemia, which could lead to serious nerve problems. It's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details. Before undergoing surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, it's important to discuss with your doctor before using Ocuvel. This medication can also pass into breast milk, so consulting your doctor before breastfeeding is essential. Taking Ocuvel may interact with other medications you are currently taking, which could change how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. If your multivitamin contains iron, it's best to avoid taking Ocuvel at the same time as antacids, bisphosphonates, levodopa, thyroid medications, or some antibiotics. Ask your doctor or pharmacist about how long you should wait between doses and for help finding a dosing schedule that will work with all your medications. If your multivitamin also contains folic acid, be sure to tell your doctor or pharmacist if you take certain anti-seizure drugs. Ocuvel may also interfere with certain lab tests, which could potentially cause false test results. Make sure lab personnel and your doctors are aware that you are taking this medication. If someone has taken too much Ocuvel and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to call for emergency help right away. In the U.S., you can call the local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, contact a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. It's crucial to seek help immediately in case of an overdose. Don't forget to keep all of your scheduled medical and lab appointments. It's possible that some brands of Ocuvel may include additional ingredients like docusate. If you're unsure about the ingredients in your specific brand, be sure to ask your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to note that Ocuvel is not a replacement for a balanced diet. It's always best to obtain your vitamins from healthy foods. Make sure to maintain a well-balanced diet and follow any dietary guidelines provided by your doctor. If you are using Ocuvel on a prescribed schedule and happen to miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next one at your regular time. Do not take double doses to make up for the missed one. Make sure to store Ocuvel at room temperature and away from light and moisture. It's important not to store it in the bathroom and to keep it out of reach from children and pets. Remember, do not flush Ocuvel down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. When it's expired or no longer needed, be sure to properly discard the product. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.